there is an ongoing debate as to whether or not the chocolate is a good for dogs. Well, considering the fact that dogs, they like to get into the garbage and eat anything and everything that's in the garbage, even the stuff that is not edible, how can chocolate possibly be bad for dogs? When you take that into consideration. Here is a piece of the chocolate. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. You better eat it, because I know I'm not going to. Yes, the dogs, they really do enjoy their chocolates. Oh, what is it that? What is it that? The dog, well, I guess...